Hi guys, I'm Johnny and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make lemon cookies. Actually, lemon crinkle cookies. These cookies are so delicious, very easy to put together. They're very soft and lemony. So let's get started. So guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to cream our butter and our sugar together. So in this bowl, I have my softened butter, and to that, I'm going to go ahead and add my white granulated sugar. And using my hand electromixer, I'm gonna mix it all together for about 1 to 2 minutes until it's nice and fluffy. At first, you might notice that it might not come together, but just keep on mixing, it will be nice and fluffy. After that, we're going to go ahead and add our egg and lemon zest. Once you grated your lemons, mix everything together until well incorporated. After that, we're gonna go ahead and add some lemon juice. These are freshly squeezed lemon juice. And since I want my cookies to be nice and yellow, I'm gonna go ahead and add some yellow dye, but this step is optional. It's just more for aesthetic. So once you add the food coloring, mix it again until well incorporated. After that, we're going to go ahead and add our dry ingredients. So it's all-purpose flour, salt, and baking powder. Mix it until it comes a dough. You're gonna see that the dough is soft. So what we're gonna do is gonna place it into the fridge for about 1 hour to 2 hours until it firms up. So I just cover it with plastic wrap, pop it into the fridge for 1 to 2 hours until they're easy to handle in your hands. After that the cookies are easy to handle and they don't stick to your hands, we're gonna go ahead and take an ice cream scoop. This is like a 2 tablespoon ice cream scoop. And we're going to roll the cookies into powdered sugar. Once you roll them in powdered sugar, we're gonna place them on a baking sheet, a few inches apart so they don't stick together. And we're gonna bake this at a 350 Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. After 10 to 12 minutes, take out the cookies out, allow them to cool completely, and that's all. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed my recipe for lemon crinkle cookies. The recipe will be in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next upload. Bye.